Big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends out there. Um, it is always great to be here. Happy Monday. And I'm going to talk about Nigeria massive win today. And I have a latest news for you guys as well about William Brothers. If you remember, um, when William Brothers was going to Ghana or even arrived in Ghana and updated here, I told you guys that I do not really know what they are going Ghana to do. I do not know. But now I can confirm to you guys that William Brothers are in Ghana working on their nationality suite. And by 10 days time, if nothing changed, by what I gathered since yesterday, if nothing changed by 10 days time, Iñaki William, Neco William, Tariq lamptey will confirm to the public, and everybody will now know that, okay, now William Brothers are ready now to play for Ghana and everything is done. So that is what I have for you guys. You know, sometimes when people trust you and maybe you move with someone and the person trusts you and shares something with you, and what the person do not really want you to put it out there, you need to respect that if you really want the people to trust you always. So now I can confirm to you that William Brothers are in Ghana working on their nationality suite, and you can take that from Awini Unity platform. You know, yeah, you can take that from Awini Unity platform. As I said it, 10 days time, if nothing changed, the news will come public and everybody will know. So if you are out there, you don't need to be asking again about William and Neco, are they going to play for Ghana or not? Everything are almost done. Then I give you guys, maybe even it's not going to be up to that 10 days, but let's say 10 days time. Yeah, let's take it like that. 10 days time, you will see a big news about William and Neco and Tariq lamptey. Yeah, so that's the latest news I have for you guys about William Brothers. Yeah, so no time, let's go for Omonaja. So big win for Omonaja today. Big win, Omonaja. Massive win for Nigeria. 10 goals to 0 is not easy against Satome, because massive win. A lot of people may say, well, Satome is really not a big, strong team. But hey, the players did well, and we really need to congratulate them, not just only Nigerians, but all of us as football fans, football lovers. If like Nigeria play draw or they lose, all of us that love football, passionate about football, we will be here criticizing them and all that. But as far as the players, they did feel well, winning massive one, not just a win, but a massive one. 10 goals, it is not easy. Ghana went to play against Central African Republic. It's the same like Satome, not to disrespect these people, football, but they are not like Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, Egypt, Morocco. You see, but Ghana went there, we couldn't even get a win. It was draw. So if Nigeria able to get a massive win like this, we need to congratulate the players, the management team, the staff, and all football fans there as well. So guys, if you are Nigerian watching this video, big up to you, and it is a massive win for you guys, massive win, and I'm so happy. I'm so proud of the boys, because Nigeria feeling for the World Cup, it is like the fans back in Nigeria, everybody don't really want to hear about the football again. So winning a massive one like this, they will get a love from the fans back again. So yeah, big congratulations to Nigerians and the players and everyone back in Nigeria as well. It's a massive one. And my Nigerian brothers, sometimes we all need to understand football. You can't always be top. Sometimes it's up and down. So if today you guys are not going to the World Cup, sometimes you guys need to understand that football, even Italy are not going. A lot of countries are not just Nigeria. A lot of countries are football nations, passionate about football, are not going. So sometimes we need to understand things like this, that football is a game. Everybody wants to win. So you can't be up always. it's up and down. So if today is not yours, you need to get to understand and do your homework well and come back stronger. And Nigeria begin to come back stronger. They shouldn't just win this game and meet a strong team and losing again. So I'm wishing for all Nigeria fans and all the players and everyone, big win for you guys, and one love, man.